Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to convert the units of derived quantity in Microsoft Excel from one system to another. For example, here I can say I have entered numbers and I suppose that these numbers represent speed, and we know speed is a derived quantity whose unit is distance per time. So I suppose that these units are in kilometer per second and I want to convert them into meter per second. So then there is a little trick in it. I first need to add the equal sign to activate the formula gadget. Then I enter convert and double click on the suggestion. The convert is entered. Now I enter the cell number. This is in column F and this is cell 3. So I enter this F3, then comma, and then I enter unit. So I put a quote and then km, and I want to convert this to meter, so I enter meter. Then I close the bracket and then I divide this and write convert again. So I enter this convert, and here is the trick. I need to enter a value for the first argument, like I entered here is F3 and I enter that 1. So and then I want to convert this from seconds. I can write SEC for second. I can just write S for second. And if you are not sure what abbreviative should you write for a unit, then you need to click here on the convert, and it opens a help menu in the right side, and you can search for the units. For example, here I enter measurement system. If I expand this option, it gives me the abbreviatives for different unit. This is for weight. If I come down, these are for distance, the different. And similarly for time, I come down for hour, I will enter HR. For day, enter day D, and for second there are two options, SEC and S, both will work. So I can enter second or just enter S and then comma and then again S. So then I close the bracket and I enter it, and you see now it has converted from 0.1 kilometer per second to meter per second. So kilometer 0.1 kilometer per second equals 100 meter per second. And similarly, if I again want to change this from kilometer to mile, I'll enter a mile over here and then click. You see now it gives me in mile. Or else if I want to enter this from meter per second, kilometer per hour, I convert this is to R, HR. So now I'm converting from kilometer per hour to meter per second. If I enter this, it gives me this much. So I just want to keep meter at this position, second at this position as well, and I do the same for the rest of the numbers. So I select the conversion cell and then put my cursor on the free handler and drag it down to convert all the numbers into meter per second. So this way we convert derived units from one system to another system. Thanks for watching.